Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not, welcome back. Or maybe you should be the one welcoming me back because it's been months and I really missed doing this. I'm glad to be back. Happy New Year, happy 2022. How's everyone doing? I'm so excited for this year because I really want my channel to grow. I want to be more consistent and disciplined and all that fun stuff. So this vlog is an overdue one. It was supposed to be on here like weeks ago, but life happens. So it's just me decorating my place, the Christmas tree, because I was hosting on Christmas Eve. So this is just a few days before Christmas. Yeah, a few days before Christmas. I was so late on decorating, but nonetheless I did it, and so you'll see that just bits of that and what else, and me cleaning afterwards as usual. So stick around and please subscribe if you haven't already, comment and like and share. I really want to grow this year, so please share and share some more. Yeah, thank you. I'll talk to you soon. Oh my love, I can't hardly wait for Christmas. And yes, don't mind those boxes. They'll disappear before you know it. Yeah, I dealt with them on that particular day, or the other day actually. It was very late at that time, so I dealt with those boxes the next day. So I also made time to organize under the sink. It was kind of a hot mess. So yeah, I got this bin from Canadian Tire. It has that drawer and you can actually organize on top of it. It's so functional. I really like it. And please don't laugh at my very short garland. Yeah, I guess that's what you get for shopping last minute. It's the morning after, and this is what I have to deal with. It's not too messy, but it's bad. Yeah, my kids just had cereal this morning and all these dirty dishes. This is all the leftover we have. Yeah, and the tree was a bit messed up, but not too bad. Let me open this window. It's so cold out there.
Cause we just tryna get it poppin', what's good? Yeah, yeah. You know all my bitches love it when we get turned. Oh, yeah. And no, it ain't no turning down, baby. Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Me and my girls stepping out in the all black. Little bit 10 on her feet, don't know how to act. Pulling up to the scene with a top back. Money ain't even a thing, cause we got that. No drama, no drama. Leave it at home for your crazy baby mama. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want a new boy. Yeah, what's good? Yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna know. Turn up, sip up on some good wine. DJ playing my favorite song. Running them beats, now you know it all. Yeah. From the drinks to the hookah, so messed up, gotta call me Uber. Yeah. I wanna know. Yeah, what's good? Yeah. I wanna know. Yeah. Oh, what's good? Cause we just tryna get it poppin', what's good? What's good? You know I'm almost love it when we get turned. What's good? And no, it ain't no turning down, baby. What's good? Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. It's the weekend, you know what that means. He left his girl in the party with me. All drinks on me, all drinks on me, yeah. All I want is more thoughts, all I want is more conversation. Sting is on shoes, body like a tiger, body like a tiger, body like a tiger. Yeah. What's good? Yeah. What's good? Yeah. I wanna know. Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. What's good? Cause we just tryna get it poppin', what's good? Yeah. You know all my bitches love it when we get turned. Oh, yeah. And no, it ain't no turning down, baby. Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Me and my girls stepping out in the all black. Little bit 10 on her feet, don't know how to act. Pulling up to the scene with a top back. Money ain't even a thing, cause we got that. No drama, no drama. Leave it at home for your crazy baby mama. Yeah. I wanna
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I attention. And I've been feeling selfish, I know